there was no elevators at this resort. So we are in whatever building this is. We got the standard room. And yeah, I think this is our room right here. Okay.
No.
It's not our room?
No.
A few moments later.
Alright, this is us right here. That's crazy. Wasn't where did we go where the what's the name was on the wristband? Was that just in St. Martin?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Feels great in here. Already. Oh. 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 Okay. Here's the shower. It's a spacious shower. Close this. All right. Got the closet. The iron. Okay. Here is somebody I know favorite place. Oh yeah. All right. And we got
Fully stocked bar.
fully stocked bar. All right. Ooh. Oh, they didn't come refill the Alizé Cuervo that I'm not gonna drink. I just want to see a full bar. Okay. I have my coffee every morning. Here's the AC. So we're gonna put our luggage and nice bed. It's a welcome message somewhere on there. And this is our view. Da, 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 da. Oh, God. Okay, y'all know I always have issues trying to open up this doggone door, no matter what resort I go to. But this is our view. And that over there is Santa Fe. That's where all the functions be, but it got kids over there. So I just want to be away from the kids for a couple of days at least. But yeah, it seems like it's nice and peaceful over here. So yeah, we have stayed at that resort. I don't know if y'all remember when we did our vlog. There's a cruise ship. Right. But this is nice. I like this. It's so pretty.